Hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an admin to a Facebook page. For this, we want to open Facebook. So, click on Facebook. After clicking on Facebook, Facebook opens. Here, we will see how we can add an admin to a Facebook page. First, you want to open your Facebook page. For this, go to the bottom of your mobile screen, and you will see a menu button. Click on it. After clicking, Managing will be opened in front of you. When it opens, you will see your profile picture and your name. Opposite your account name, you will see an arrow. Click on that arrow. After clicking, a small format will open from the bottom of your mobile screen. Just click on your Facebook page. After clicking, the Facebook page will start in front of you. Once it's open, here, we will just add an admin to your Facebook page. For this, go to the bottom of your mobile screen, and you will see a part of the menu. Click on it. After clicking, that format will open in front of you. You will see a button of Professional Dashboard. So, click on Professional Dashboard. After clicking, the Professional Dashboard will be open to you. Here, we will just scroll down. After scrolling down, you will see a button of Page Access. Click on it. After clicking, the Page Access section will be open to you. Here, you can see the results. Two options are available here. The first one is people with Facebook access. Second is people with last access. But we want to give Facebook access to a focal person. For this, just click on the Add New button. Click on it. After clicking, that format will be open to you. Once it's open, just click on the New button located at the bottom of your mobile screen. After clicking, just search for the focal person right here. So, write the name of the person in the search bar. Once you find the person, just click on that person. After clicking, that format will be open to you. If you go to the bottom of your mobile screen, then you will see a button of Give Access. Click on it. After clicking, a password section will be open in front of you. Right here, just enter your Facebook password. After writing your Facebook password, here, you will see a button of Confirmed at the bottom of your password prompt. Click on it. After clicking, access to your Facebook account will be transferred to your focal person. That's a way to add an admin to a Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video.